Welcome to Robonomics PLO whitelist. We really appreciate your support and willingness to bond KSM for Robonomics Parachain during the auctions. In this video, I'm going to make a short walk through the Robonomics KSM crowd loan page. So by supporting Robonomics during the Parachain lease offering, you will get 1 XLT for 1 KSM bonded. You will be able to choose whether you want to get the 100% of reward in the Genesis block of Robonomics Parachain, or split it by getting 25% on Ethereum and 75% on Robonomics Parachain. Robonomics team will develop a decentralized application to interact with the Kusama Relay chain to participate in the crowd loan. Besides, you will also have an opportunity to bond KSM for Robonomics using Polkadot.js. Wallets that will bond KSM for the Robonomics Parachain during the crowd loan will get an increased XLT staking APY in Robonomics Parachain. So let's do a quick math here. So for example, if you bond 100 KSM for Robonomics Parachain after the leasing period, which is 48 weeks, you will get back 100 KSM and 225 XLT. Besides, by scrolling this page, you will see how does the auction work, and reminder to choose your strategy wisely. At the bottom of this page, we share the vision of Robonomics Relay Chain on Polkadot. So Robonomics is actually going to become a relay chain on Polkadot within 2 years for all IoT parachains in the ecosystem. So currently, one of the most advanced parachains in Robonomics ecosystem is the DAO IPCI, which will evolve into environmental mitigation parachain. Also, we are working on small rental and leasing parachain, robot as a service parachain, cloud for IoT applications, and John Winkle traffic parachain. If you have any questions regarding Robonomics use cases or Kusama Parachain lease offering, I would be happy to answer them during the Robonomics community open call this Friday at 3 p.m. UTC. Also, we will send you another guide on how to use the decentralized application developed by Robonomics to participate in the Kusama crowd loan. Thank you very much for joining the whitelist.